I believe that the value that AIM brings to the manufacturing community is rather unique. Our focus is not necessarily to work with attracting new businesses in. Our focus is to work with those existing manufacturing businesses that are already here, and we help them grow and profit and sustain that growth right here within the region.
Townsend Leather is nearly a 50-year-old leather manufacturer based in upstate New York. It's important for us never to stop learning or growing and changing and evolving. AIM has a great lean manufacturing program, OSHA's program. We've leaned on them for our cybersecurity, because as everyone knows today, these are three leading important things that you need to be able to do as a manufacturer. It's equally important for us to have people that we trust in partnerships. AIM, MVCC, and FMCC have been that partner.
Some of the common areas in which AIM has assisted local manufacturers have been in process improvement programming, quality management system programs, as well as cybersecurity, food safety, and OSHA safety.
Utica Coffee was founded 2004, 2005, and we are a specialty coffee roaster.
Bartell makes custom machinery for the oil and gas, wire and cable, and tire and rubber industries.
In looking at how our customers and what they expect from us, the Safe Quality Foods Level 2 program that was available through MVCC and AIM allowed us to meet compliance and also service our customers.
AIM has helped us with our job safety analysis. They've helped us with our machine guarding surveys. We've lowered our injury rate tremendously. We're currently at 390 days without a lost time accident. We are now certified in ISO 14001 and 18001.
I feel that our clients choose to work with AIM because of the personal relationships that we have with them. Oftentimes, our clients consider AIM and our staff a trusted business advisor, a partner in their progress, and also a friend.